trail that goes to there. Simple walking trail, it's all paved.
If I can keep my step, yeah.
And the guy manning the camera. The bamboo forest with all the pandas. Here's a panda.
I am. I sleep like one. Made it. We have a spot too. Yeah.
storm. Look at them palm trees. I would do the front, but you can't see nothing. We're at the Ala Moana Center. And it's wet outside, so we came inside. Oh look, a Louis Vuitton. You can get Dole Plantation, lychee sour belts, really gummy pineapple, lychee gummy that looks like the peach ones, pineapple lava bears. Does that sound yummy? Like me.
I would just go to this Dole Plantation.
It's actually really cheap too. The Pretz. There's all the Hello Kitty stuff, and they're Gudetama and the Hello Kitty, who's born to a crisp, like just like me. And Decote. And then there is a Ding Dong. Ding Dong Doraemon. He's sunny too. Look, he's Bernie. He's got sunburny. Holika. BTS is singing at me. Oh no, they're just speaking. I don't know what they're saying. Keeper.
This is actually hell. Wait, what if rain is like coming in from wind over there?
It will definitely come in. It's windy up here.
Another Chinese.
Trade Dynasty Seafood Restaurant. No, it's okay. I'm gonna just be happy with not staying dry right now. Today's actually the cold kind of rain. It's half indoor, half outdoor. People get wet. They get wet. You gonna get wet.
There you go. Did you not find the driver's button?
What driver's button?
Like the driver's door button?
Oh no, I didn't know where the button was.
Oh, okay.
I was just pretending to drive the car.
It's on the screen.
Is that trunk space? Yeah. Extra trunk space?
Yeah.
Where's the actual engine?
It's like from here to like down there.
You mean like this space? Yeah. It's not very much.
It's not engine, it's just
Oh, because electric. What are these people what? That we get a Tesla?
40,000 euros.
It's a bit pricey. They're introducing convertible bags. You can change the
Oh, they're at the
style.
marketplace right now.
They found a Uniqlo next to a Lulu. The Uniqlo.
Found our friends.
No, you're supposed to say, we have friends.
We have friends.
It's raining. But that's a common thing here. It's sunny over there though. It's a weird thing where it's like, it's sunny on one side of the island and then it's wet on the other. Do you see what I see? Is that pink store over there? That's the place we went for lunch. I forgot to film it. I forgot to film the food.
I mean, it's very much like the stuff that we had the other day.
I didn't film that either.
No, you didn't.
I took pictures though. Maybe I'll put it somewhere. easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. It's easy as do, re, mi. It's easy. No? Kona coffee. Kona coffee.
Yeah, like what about the international marketplace? It's right there too.
I want a pineapple croissant.
Do you want one?
Now?
If they're still open on the way back, we can go get one.
For dinner?
Oh, we can here. Good look. I see pineapples. I see pineapple.
This would be cute if I had room.
Uh-huh.
You're like, you're not getting Snoopy.
Oh, look, you can get
Spam flavored macadamia.
That's weird.
But there's other different flavors too.
Oh, there's wasabi. Oh, you can get the tiny can of it. Look, there's tiny can.
Yeah.
Oh, there's mango chipotle
Oh?
and honey sriracha. Does that sound good to you?
Actually, it does.
There's also cookies and cream macadamia, chocolate coconut macadamia, and dark chocolate sea salted caramel macadamia. That's actually these ones sound very, very different. Like this is the stuff that no one brings you back. Why do they not bring you this back?
How much is it?
$5.
You know what? It's really cheap.
It is. But that's the thing. It's more of a lunch. And Victor did say that it's more like a dinner, the way that we're preparing for it.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look very big.
No.
And for the price, it's more so lunch.
But this line, man. This line for this udon.
That's not that long, actually.
$6 a person though. It's really cheap.
No, yeah. I know it's probably
It's gotta be good. This line's always full. It's always long. People keep getting into it.
I feel like it's mostly there because it's cheap. It's windy.
We're at the yogurt show. Now we're gonna go play games. They have like all of these free games that you can play, but they're very short. He's kneeling. There's a Sailor Moon. Totoro, Totoro. It's even so.
That's funny, actually.
Right?
That was Joe, too.
Over down.
I just want to say